Welcome. In front of me is a BLACKVIEW Color 8, and today I will show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, open up your standalone contacts application, like this one. Next, navigate to Fix and Manage, and then Manage SIM. This in turn will display all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. By default, they should all be selected, as long as none of these contacts already exist in the location where you will be importing them to. Now, for me, there is no options to change where I want to import my contacts to, because I don't have a Google account signed in. It automatically defaults to the only remaining option, which is the device itself. But if you have, for instance, Google account signed in, between the Manage SIM and the first contact, you will find a drop-down menu where you can choose where you will be importing your contacts to. Anyway, once you have basically selected the contacts that you want to import, or deselected ones that you don't want, and chosen the location to import them to, click on Import button. This will import all selected contacts, and when you go back to your contacts list, you will see them in here. Now, one more thing is right here where you have, or I have, the little phone icon. You can click on this, and this will allow you to change the display location from, for instance, your Google account, device, and SIM card. Now, that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.